Dobrodošli v aprilski Mladinski oddaji. Ta mesec je pripotovala Marta, nova prostovoljka iz Barcelone. No, poglejmo si njene prve vtise v Krškem. V naslednjem videu si poglejmo, kako glasbenik voodoo vadi v kletnih prostorih Mladinskega centra Krško.
Yeah, man. Severely inferior, delirious, interior, divine, superiors. I'm bound to hysteria, the regular nebula, fucking up your cellular. School you like a seminar, bitch, you ain't a friend of mine. Access no reality, where I produce fatalities and parodies for mental clarity, defying gravity. Exposure to erosion causes unwanted motion. Bitch, I got the potion, flowing like an ocean. The rhymes is potent, for killing rodents with swift components. Destroy opponents, leave you frozen without your clothes in. I'm hot like molten, like lava spoken. Oddly enough, I smoke the rough, power buff. Your stuff ain't tough, yeah boy, it's all a bluff. Put you in handcuffs, your shit I've had enough. Screaming at you gruff like I'm Shia LaBeouf. Various, mysterious, nefarious, terriers is how my rhyme shreds your ass without barriers. Distant, malicious visions of ambitions from the fucking haters. Acting all suspicious.
Said the vida, eat, talk and sleep and booze. You fix the news and I'm going to speak the truth. I'll build the blues, stay true to the roots. Do some drugs just like all you do-gooders do. But I don't wanna see myself on a pedestal. Put yourself on your own, man. That should be general, fuck obstacles. Jump over like antelope. Take me, you hate all of us. Shit's collateral, you better know. Smoke a fat blunt or two. Get high, feel all the funk in you. Get by, don't shake your drunken boots. You know it's true, you know you got that funky move. So chill with me, bitch, be real with me. See the weed smokes when I see the weed. Pretty please bring me a DVD so we can watch how high while we eating ribs. Woo!
Poglejmo si pesem Kdo je kriv od Miljane Gligič Mikica.
Con hilo krivo, dav tu che va, a tu hi che po averik, na prinžárema.
Nechcete mě rozpoznat, zahambený, protože nejsem jako ty.
Tell me. It is important. Who is to blame?
Con hilo krivo, con hilo krivo, con hilo krivo, con hilo krivo, con hilo krivo.
Dik premande šukáres. Mena kamau tedy kelta peste. Kohino previna, že hino bareko barvalo.
A jsem chudák, klášter kočovný kočár. Cestuji z vesnice do vesnice a žádám o kus chleba.
Reci mi, kdo je kriv? Kdo je kriv, da je tako sovraštvo med nami in taka razlika? Kdo je kriv?
Kdo je na vině? 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 Kdo je na vině?
In zdaj reportaža o restavraciji Skuhna v Ljubljani, kjer so kuharji begunci.
Skuhna is a place where culture and food comes together.
As a project was designed by me and Max, just simply because we saw how many migrants in Slovenia are facing problems.
For me, it's a platform to explore myself or to find other opportunity.
بالنسبة لي سكوخنا مطعم زين.
عندهم فكرة باهية تعجبني خاطر كل يوم عندهم نوع آخر متاع ماكلة متاع بلاد أخرى.
Para mí yo creo que es hogar.
بالنسبة للطعام تقدر تغير ونعطي طعام ونطبخ طعامنا العربية والإيرانية وأنا مرتاح فيها.
When I wake up in the morning, I always want to feel like happy, energetic that I'm going to work.
Organizamos pues debates o charlas que le llamamos Skuhna Talks, pues para crear un espacio para poder hablar pues de problemas de racismos, de cómo se reciben aquí a la gente de fuera.
I organized with Max almost 2 debates to talk about the immigration and refugee and the conflicts and problems we have it here.
For the population of people living in Ljubljana, is a place that it's relaxed, it's cozy, it's a place that you can come and try different food. Every day we have different menu, just to bring the culture closer and bring the foreigners into Slovenia, in a way to to integrate into the society.
Skuhna has 2 main goals. One is to give migrants from Global South who are living in Slovenia job opportunities, and the other one is to bring people of different cultures together to create some positive relationships.
No, to je bilo za danes vse. Se vidimo znova drugi mesec v novi mladinski oddaji. Adijo!